Today we will be looking at the new Huda Beauty Naughty Nude palette. We're going to take a look at the palette, do some swatches, and then wrap it up with an eyeshadow tutorial. This look right here. So if you want to see how I got this look, and if you're interested to see how this palette is, just keep watching. The Huda Beauty Naughty Nude palette is a versatile palette with 18 shades. This is a redesign of their best-selling new nude palette. With this palette, you're able to create a dramatic smoky eye or a variety of natural and sultry looks. It contains 8 velvety soft mattes, 5 high shine metallics, 3 multi-dimensional marble creams, 1 hypnotic marble cream, and a unique gloss with bronze and berry pearls. It retails for $67 and is cruelty-free.